Case Study, Reviving Bidriware Craftsmanship. Bidriware faced decline due to lack of market access and modern tools, leading to low productivity and limited exports. EXIM Bank collaborated with NID to conduct a workshop on product development for artisans, focusing on using alternative materials to reduce costs and creating innovative utility products. Over 200 artisans were trained, resulting in 233% productivity growth, 265% export sales rise, and 108% increase in annual income. Export orders poured in from Australia, Germany, and USA. The initiative successfully revived the ancient art form, providing a platform for artisans to showcase their work globally. Contact us at info@bizbrains.in.